No Sleep Till Brooklyn. What a song, what a riff. It's by the Beastie Boys. I'm still in standard tuning. In standard tuning, that sounds like this. However, the original is played in E-flat tuning. So let's quickly put ourselves in E-flat tuning together. The E string needs to go down to E-flat. I've just hit my tuner, and that goes to about there. A-flat. I'm going to do this in real time so you guys can see how hopefully quick and easy this is. Drop the D down to a C sharp or a D flat. G goes down to F. They all go down by about a quarter turn. Let me double check this. Around about there. So that was super quick. And I'm just double checking this now because obviously this is being filmed. And I want to make sure when I play my riff, this is sounding really good. When you have multiple guitars, as I do here, you can keep one of them in this tuning all the time. So you can go between loads of Green Day songs and Guns N' Roses and whatever else you want to play. Just like this fantastic song. Check out my video on how to get in E-flat tuning if you need more help, and some other top songs and top riffs that are in E-flat tuning. But let's learn No Sleep Till Brooklyn. This starts off with 2 strums of an E5 power chord. Importantly, we strum, strum, mute. And you can hear that deeper, darker sound of the E-flat tuning. There. We then go to a 3rd fret G5 power chord. 1 strum and a mute. Then it's A5, again 1 finger on the 2nd fret of 3rd and 4th strings. Hold those down together. It's then B at the 2nd fret, then to G like this. Full riff. 3, 4. Trickiest part, I would say, is going between the B5 to a G5. Even though it's the same shape, what we actually want to do is slide our fingers kind of along and over the strings. If we do that with the index, I'm trying to get to there without going, you know, but otherwise we get open string noise, and that's not what we want. Same with the 3rd and little finger. That's again just the Boss Katana on a Brown sound setting. I can boost that with my Schaefer replica pedal because I love how this sounds. In the verses, we start with just the E5. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. B, G. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then it will get back into E5 again. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Chorus riff. There's also a fantastic guitar solo in this song, and the rhythm parts that go underneath that guitar solo are basically the same riff, but with the G chord, rather than hitting the G5, it does the more AC/DC style technique. which is a really crucial technique to get down because it's got this quarter bend with the middle finger. So it's E, 2, 3. Now that is not hit flat, and it's also not overbent. You know, don't grab it and pull it way out of tune. We're getting it so it's almost to the next pitch of the next fret, but never quite getting there. And we want to hear it go up, but not hear it come down. We don't want that. We just want... It's a little blues curl. We do the same thing here. And we'll be covering that later in the course. That's what we want for now. And that is how to play all the riffs and rhythm parts too. No Sleep Till Brooklyn. Add that to your practice routine for this week, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. You can jam along to this song in the description below, where you'll find the original music video to jam along to.